Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has just rolled out the fifth developer betas of watchOS 26, tvOS 26, and visionOS 26, arriving 2 weeks after the previous round of betas. These updates are available to developers through the Settings app on each device, provided they have an active developer account. Much like iOS 26 and macOS 26, watchOS 26 and tvOS 26 feature Apple's striking liquid glass design inspired by visionOS. On the Apple Watch, users will find a new AI-powered workout buddy to help stay motivated, an improved smart stack that delivers more personalized suggestions, a new Notes app, and the built-in live translation. tvOS 26 introduces fun and practical upgrades, including karaoke support using an iPhone as a microphone, better integration with AirPlay speakers, new aerial screensavers, and faster Apple account syncing for quicker app logins during setup. With visionOS 26, developers get access to special widgets that can be placed freely in your environment, more realistic personas, and enhanced support for shared special experiences between two Vision Pro users. While visionOS 26 remains limited to developers, both watchOS 26 and tvOS 26 are available to developers and public beta testers. All three updates are expected to launch publicly this fall.